Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Farm with me, KE. Yes, this is what I've been doing lately, applying mulch to my fruits. As you can see, these are my oranges. Been applying mulch to them, and I have these younger oranges also have been up. They have mulch on them. As you can see, I've also done mulch on my Tamarillos in this little orchard. And yeah, I'm gearing up for a hot, dry weather. So I'll be irrigating them. The oranges are almost getting ready. Yeah, this is how it looks like with the mulch applied. Those are oranges. Tamarillos have not been forgotten also. I've applied mulch them. You can see how the oranges are looking like. And this is the second time this tree is producing, so next year as it grows taller, I expect more fruits from it. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. I did not forget my passion fruits. I also applied mulch to them, as you can see. All of them have mulch applied to them. Even the younger pawpaws, they have mulch, and the fruits are doing very well. Yeah, since I support them, they are really trying to train themselves. And even the Tamarillos in these small orchards are doing very well. Despite the despite the hot weather that we're experiencing, the fruits are doing very well with the mulch and applied. How's that they're looking like? I'm loving this passion. This is doing really well, and it's gonna give me quite good number of fruits. Yep, I did not forget to apply mulch on my Tamarillos. This is how I've done it to the older ones, and also to the younger ones. This is how they look like. Yeah, and in between I applied pepper, the hot pepper. That's how they look like, and I'm hopeful they will survive until we start getting heavy rains. Bye bye guys, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.